Let's admit it. No matter how many times we try making noodles at home, they never quite taste like the ones we eat at our favorite Indo-Chinese restaurant. Today, we are going to walk you through the secrets of making the proper restaurant style mixed noodles right in your kitchen with all the smoky flavor, perfect texture, and the familiar umami punch. We begin like any dish with preparation. Take some fresh prawns, cleaned and deveined. A little sprinkle of salt and a dash of vinegar is all they need. This not only seasons them but also neutralizes any fishy odor. Next, slice chicken breast into thin strips. Marinate this with green chili sauce which contains ginger garlic paste, salt and a splash of vinegar. This marinade will infuse the chicken with bold flavors while tenderizing it. Crack open 2 eggs, season it with a bit of salt to taste and beat them until smooth. Now to cook our noodles. Bring a large pot of water into a rolling boil. Add a spoonful of refined oil, a simple trick to prevent the noodles from clumping. Now add your noodles, cook them until they are just shy of being fully cooked or 90% cooked. We want a slight bite, not mushiness. Immediately drain and rinse them under cold water. This halts the cooking process instantly, preserving the perfect texture. Finally, drizzle a bit of oil and toss the noodles lightly so they stay loose and don't dry out. This single step makes all the difference later while stir frying. Restaurant kitchens have powerful burners and heavy duty wokes, tools designed to deliver intense heat that's hard to replace at home. But there is a workaround. Choose the thinnest kadai you own and place it on the largest burner of your stove. The thinner the base, the quicker it heats up, mimicking the restaurant style wok hai, that signature smoky flavor. Pour in a generous amount of oil and heat it until it just begins to smoke. Swirl it around to coat the entire surface. This seasoning step prevents sticking and gives you a clean hot surface to work with. Now, carefully remove the hot oil and set it aside for reuse. Your kadhai is now seasoned and ready. Add a small amount of oil and toss in the marinated prawns. Stir fry them quickly over high heat for just a minute. They cook fast and can get rubbery if overdone. Once pink and opaque, remove them and set aside. Now, in the same kadhai, fry the marinated chicken strips. Stir on high heat for about 2 minutes until golden and cooked through. Remove and keep aside. Next, add in a little more oil and pour in the beaten eggs. Let them scramble lightly into soft, fluffy curds. Don't overcook. Once done, take them out and set them aside too. Wipe the kadhai clean with a cloth and heat a couple of tablespoons of oil. Start with some grated ginger. As it hits the oil, it releases a deep earthy aroma. Then go sliced onions and bell peppers. Stir fry on high flame until the onions turns translucent and the pepper begin to char slightly at the edges. Add thinly sliced carrots and shredded cabbage and toss just until they soften a bit. You want the vegetables to retain their crunch for texture. Now add the pre-cooked noodles into the kadhai. Toss well on high flame until the noodles are heated up. Turn the heat off temporarily and sprinkle white pepper powder along the edges of the kadai. As you switch the flame back on, this will lightly char and infuse the dish with a subtle smokiness. Then add a couple tablespoons of green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, a pinch of MSG, and a little bit of salt to taste. Now turn the heat to high and toss vigorously. Let the sauces glaze every strand of noodle. Finally, return the prawns, chicken and eggs to the pan. Add a handful of chopped green onions and give everything one light toss. Serve your mixed noodles piping hot, garnish with fresh green onions. The flavor, the aroma, the texture, it's all there. And the best part, you made it at home. Next time you're craving restaurant style noodles, skip the takeout, use this method and see how few tricks can elevate your home cooking. Thank you for watching and until next time, happy cooking!